I have to admit this is probably my favourite function of the year, as we get to see all the past players. Everyone gets to return to the club, connect with the team, and then since we started this about 3 years ago, that wonderful guard of honour for the current team to run through.
He was the inaugural Brisbane Broncos fullback, played a test match against the Kiwis in 1983, Colin Scott.
And Arthur Beetson walked through, and as a kid growing up, I said, "Holy Billy, what am I doing here?" And he walked over and said, "How you going, Scotty?" Well, back in the days, you didn't have mobile phones. I ran down to the phone box after training and rang Mum and told her that Arthur Beetson knew my name.